guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? You're welcome into another makeup tutorial. So today we are doing this glamorous look. Hey girl, I slayed this look. What do you think? I do this orange lips and eyes to match. So that is it for this video. God just you are welcome. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching, and please before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. So just what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed, hit on the subscribe button and that post notification bell. In that way you don't miss any video from me. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Pardon my nails, guys. My nails are so horrible right now. Come, see, my nails are really horrible right now. But please pardon them, pardon them, pardon them. You guys know, first thing I start with my eyes, so I'm going to do my eyebrows. Then we'll start with the eyes. Yeah, brush those brows like I used to do always.
Like those cigarettes, staring at the moon. I'm
using my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil, Davis.
Without a thread, and I can't wait to see what happens next.
I'm going to use this eye cream on my lid.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we?
I want to eat. I'm eating this. This is so yummy. I'll be using 3 palettes. These 3 palettes for this look, and I'll be using just one particular shade from these 3 palettes, which is orange color. This one is from Zoeva, and this one is from Makeup Revolution. One is from Beauty Grid. So those are the 3 palettes I want to use for this makeup tutorial. And the one of Zoeva, these are the shade, but I will be using this orange shade here. That's it, that's it, that's it. So I'll be singing a lot. I'm going to take this brush from Juvia's Place. This one is 002 JP002 small designer brush, but this is what I want to use, and I'll take this shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid, starting from here.
If we sail a little bit high.
I'm following my crease.
A little bit low.
In case you are hearing any noise, that is from outside. And I'm going to take this brush from BH. This one is the BH006. Without anything, I'm going to use this to blend the upper side. I'm just going to go on a slow motion, very, very slow motion. You don't have to do it fast. Little by little, just blend it out, trying to circulate. I'm trying to circulate the shade, because you guys know I said we are using just this orange eyeshadow. I like this brush so much because it don't spread your concealer. It does not spread your eyeshadow where you just want it to be. That is where it will be.
We're still a little bit young, but I'm all.
Then I'm going to pack it again.
We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young.
I'll take my brush. Then blend.
A little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
Now come this one. I'm going to take this one. Is like shimmer.
Don't know any road to lead us back home, and I don't know any road to lead.
I'm just going to take eyeliner, black. So this is just to cover my lashes.
Us back home. Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes, staring at the.
So my lashes are on. I want to prime my face, yeah, and for that I'll be using this primer. I'll be using these two. They are oldies, but I will be using them today. My old foundation, this one is from a Cavendish. It's old foundation. I don't need to throw it away, so I'm going to use this foundation. Why I don't use it, because find out that it's not my shade, but I'm going to make it work today.
It tasted like those cigarettes, staring at.
It's really light.
The moon, we'd go to bed in my arms. You're safe and sound without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens.
Let's see what we can do. We can do.
Next, how far can we?
So let's see if we can bring this to life.
If we sail a little bit high.
I've done my best. Then I'm going to use the shade Honey.
A little bit long. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit long? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but
And I will use a bronzing powder to contour.
I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all.
Then I'll use this MAC Studio Fix powder to set the whole of my face.
In. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
So I'll move back to the eyes. I'm just going to take a white eyeliner. Then I'll take this shade.
A little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low.
I'll use this for my blush. This is from Obsession. This is from Obsession. Shade is prompt. Let's add color to the cheek. Let's add color to the cheek.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? I need us to be.
Then I'm going to highlight with this Glow Baked highlighter powder. Before that, I'm going to set my face.
Your lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail?
It's orange color. I'm going to apply this on my lip.
Still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
So this is the finished look. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Hello papi, mais qu'est-ce que ça? J'entends des bails à 300 morts.